Happy Thursday, everybody. It's smoke test time. We've got the engine sealed up again. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. Smoke is going in the engine. What I've done is I've replaced the rear two-piece rear seal. I just go underneath the seat. And we have a different pan on it. And before we had a leak here. It's kind of cramped. Hold on. Okay. That's where the leak came from before. Got the dipstick all dialed in. I mean, I carefully, I'm telling you, this week I carefully did this. I mean, I looked at probably, I don't know, 10 different YouTube videos, making sure I'm doing it right. I see nothing. You can see it coming out of the top. It might come from the breather. Yeah, it's coming out of the, I see a leak. Okay. Here's the leaks coming. Leaks come from the pan. Okay. And we are prepared for that. But no leaks from there. I think we got it. Oh, this is tight. It's coming from the pan, which is fine. I can fix that. I think we're in. I think we're good. I see nothing coming out of the back. Nothing. Just get this pan button up, and then we'll be in business. We'll be ready to go. I'm still looking for a car trailer. Where's my goddamn ratchet? Anyway, I'm looking for a car trailer, and this weekend is 2 shows tomorrow morning. We're going to do Dos Lagos again because there's a lot of cars there. And we're going to do the show in Chino Hills at the fire something show. Okay, I'm out. I'm going to get this tightened up. Everybody have a great day. Good news. Bye.